Now we're going to do the sunset. And it's through that area there. Let me go through this section. Hold on. Yeah, there it is. So I'm turning the camera about to center the sun right there. I'm centering the sun, centering it right about there, and it's the camera. The lens of the view here is level to gravity, pretty much. So what I'm comparing right now is the angle to the property of the house that I'm in. And I got this big security gate here. And that will tell you about it's about a 40-degree angle from the, like here's the back of the property, and it's a rectangular plot. So it's rectangular like this, and I know which way. South is generally that way, and if the sun is showing like this at a 40-degree angle off of being perpendicular to the back of the property, okay? That's, I just said, is 40 degrees. So if this is perpendicular, this is 40 degrees. It's just under being 45 degrees, thereabouts. So then I can calculate what angle it is and find out the azimuth. Now this is all rough. I can be off by 1 or 2 degrees once I calculate this. But that's the way I'm doing it. And so there's the sun going down, okay? It's pretty much debunks a lot of other people that have made videos stating that it's so far off and it's to the north, due north, or it's, you know, wherever. Because most people are filming somewhere, all the videos that I've seen in the northern hemisphere and not that close to the equator. And, you know, if there's a lot of videos out there that are Spanish speaking. Oh, and now I'm going to catch the moon. There's the moon. Okay, so look at the moon at its zenith right now. Its declination looks like it's about 50 degrees off the horizon. So that's another thing I have to calculate. So you see where it is? If it was, you know, up here, that would be directly overhead. So it's not quite that high. Right? It's actually quite low. But I want to tell you, you see where the moon is, the height, the declination of the moon. Today, I actually missed the high noon, but about 6 hours ago, I was trying to film the sun, and it was way up there. It was way up there. It was directly overhead, practically. So that's as high as it can get. And you see right now, as the moon is low, and it's actually looking very small. So it's probably far away. So again, we go from the moon, and its phase right now. I just checked, and it's 83% full in its phase. It's almost 11 days old as they time it, going up to the full moon. So, you know, that would mean in about 3 to 4 days, actually around 4-ish days, it will be full. Okay, because you see over here is the setting sun. Now wait a second. That doesn't make sense. So when it's full, it's going to be over here in the sky every successive night. It goes this way. It goes this way as it's waxing. So that's an interesting effect. It's got the shadow there, but yet the sun's over here. Oh gosh, folks, there's so much to learn. That's why I'm doing these videos. Thanks for watching. Write in with your observations. You know, maybe we're all learning about this, and that's a good thing. So, you know, if this is what gets you into science, like it gets me into science, just suspicion or, you know, this big, you know, shocking questions, then so be it. That's the way people get into science. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I look forward to your feedback.